Holy shit. Holy shit. Not a chance.
Nee, die kar het hulle nou afgeskrik hoor.
Wag, hier kan nog iets gebeur hoor.
Ja. Sjoe, die bok het ons.
Daai bok gaan nie ver nie hoor.
Sjoe. Ag sjoe, kyk hoe hy skoon.
Okay, jongens. Hy gaan nie ver nie hoor.
Dis meer sy linkerkant. Sy linkerbeen is mooi.
Holy shit.
Yes.
Daar gaat ze. Ik probeer fight maar kan niet meer.
Yes.
Ja, dat vind ik ook nou op hoor. Plaks grijp je hem nooit en ik kill hem ook om dood. Alleen nou.
Als die kop het nou op die grond. Dit er nog nader. Wat je belandt hij nog in die gat hier. Hij is nou zo nabij aan haar links. As hy eers op die sy val is. Jou useless ding vat nou net nie so. Nee wat, daar is op die kant. Laaste bietjie energie weg.
Wat was het ding? Oh, cute. Golden.
On the road again. Hey, see, you're gonna pick one up. You're gonna pick one up. Oh! You're gonna pick one up. Got one.
Oh my god. We're so cute. Yeah. Are we the only car here, guys? Are we the only car here? I think it's time to stop again. That was insane. Where's the mother? Where's the mother? She can come. Does she know it's been taken?
I don't know if she's like
the other babies?
He's another friend. I don't know. You want to see the job?
Why do you pick up the handbag for me?
Danke, jetzt. This croc has got that giraffe on the leg. Just to the left of the giraffe, you can see the croc. Nach einer anderen Stelle, um besser zu sehen. Da geht's. Guck, hast du gesehen? Guck.
Jetzt hab ich's Krokodil gesehen.
I got it again.
Und ich habe den Schwanz vom Krokodil gesehen.
Gut, ich bin Film.
Und jetzt ist er wieder umgekehrt.
Doch, wir bezogen.
Danke, jetzt. Okay, komm, Giraffe. Jetzt
wieder, schau. Ja, come on. Nein. Scheiße. Ja, also das kann nicht mehr stehen. Das Bein ist kaputt. Und dann... Ja, komm. Ja. Come on.
Ja, ne,
Aber jetzt auf. Komm. Yo, come on. Oh, no.
Shit.
She's trying
Jetzt.
Come on.
Es ist noch da dran. It's still, ja.
Come on.
Das Krokodil ist noch da dran.
Ja. Es ist kritisch.
Nee, die kommt nicht hoch auf die Brust. Die kommt nicht auf die... Ja, aber...
Jetzt.
Yes.
Oh, jetzt komm.
Komm.
Jetzt.
Nein.
Alright.
Nee.
Jetzt.
Oh, jetzt. Komm, Döner.
Ja.
Ja.
Jetzt, komm. Da legt sich wieder hin.
So in dem Gras. Man sieht nicht die ganze Löwe, weil die
Oh, croc. Oh, wow, he's got him.
Whoa, shit. Whoa.
No ways.
Whoa.
This is incredibly rare to see. There's another crocodile coming in now.
Ich will nicht schauen, wenn er nicht. Das ist jetzt nicht so lustig.
Okay, so they're going to try and get it into the water now. They need to spin the wildebeest to try drown it, basically. Oh, no, it looks like he's got away.
Whoa. Whoa, they are going. Wow.
It's still there. They're trying to.
Oh, there's a crocodile.
No, I think the crocodile's still actually got him gripped underneath.
I should say.
The croc won't let go. Oh no, okay. That's not a good place there. That's quite... I think they've got the crocs off them again.
The hippos are protecting.
Come on, wildebeest. If you can just keep his head up. Yes. Yeah, you see he's moving now. We got the croc off.
The croc is off of him.
Come on, come on. That's it. Come on.
Go up.
Keep going.
Run. He's limping pretty badly. Hey!
He's gonna be excused. Oh, okay, no, his back right foot is totally...
My goodness. Wow, he's just getting a performance for you now.
This is Shorty. This is really Shorty. This is Shorty how we know him.
You need to go up, old boy, and unhook him for...
See, it was 2002.
2010. Two. Oh. That's great. The picture. Oh boy, and unhook him for...
Well, you should.
do this quick because once the hyenas hear this, then it's lost the tree. Did you get the video?
Yep.
Another pet coming. Another one? Yeah, rest of the turkeys alive now.
And it's still alive, eh? He's going to try and get it up the tree. Look, here come 4 more, 2 more.
Hyenas are coming.
2 hyenas. The thing's still alive, eh? Here's a leopard in the tree. There's a 4th hyena now.
Go and see. Go and see there.
Look there. There.
Oh.
Give me there. Can you see there the dust is?
Fishes.
Fishes.
No, they're still throwing her around.
Now they're
On top of
jumping.
her.
No, no, they're trampling her.
It's actually bad.
Now we
No, they. Oh,
Oh,
shit.
no.
Oh, shame.
I've never seen this in my life.
Can you see the dust there, mate? Look at the dust. That's where all the buffaloes are making. Oh, I see why you can't see, my darling.
Why? Because I'm in the way. Yes, my sweetheart. Just hang on. Just hang on, my sweetie.
Then Messi can see better. The buffaloes almost take that lion, then the buffaloes almost hurt the lion.
Yeah.
I hope they haven't found any more. I'm just thinking of your cubs.
There she is. No, they're just literally throwing her around now. Check this.
It's like Piper with a mouse.
Right there by the
Oh,
water. There you
God,
go.
they're spinning it around.
There she's there.
At least I hope she is.
Oh, by now all her bones will be broken.
Oh, shame. I really hope she is. Oh, I can see her on the ground there.
Yeah. It's a lion kill.
But no,
No,
love.
I'm sorry. Buffalo killed the lion. Yeah, she's being thrown around there.
Must go to the doctor. The doctors want to take a lion there by the hospital.
And the hippos are just chilling. It's like, oh, all of this is because it's chilling.
Oh, shame, sweetie.
You can get through.
No, well, she's dead. She's in the water now.
No, then she's wrong.
Yeah.
No, she's dead.
The lion's in the water.
Yeah.
What will the squirrel do? He's certainly not going to win against this thing, is it? Oh, we've seen him put his tail out to the stuff.
He's done it before, obviously.
Yeah.
He's quick.
Amazing how quick they are, eh?
His tail around the back of the tree. He's going,
Oh, nearly got it, he said. It's nearly there.
oh, there it is.
Yeah, he wants that tail.
He's certainly not going to win against this thing, is it? Oh, we've seen him put his tail out to the stuff.
He's done it before, obviously.
Yeah.
He's quick.
Amazing how quick they are, eh?